Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and just want to talk about what not to say on a cold call. You know, when I was new in real estate, I was trained by everybody that you're getting trained by, and they always said, here's the things you say. And one of the things they said to say was when you cold call somebody, hey, I'm just calling to see if you might be thinking of selling your house. And then they'd say no. And then I was trained to say, do you have any friends or neighbors who might be thinking of selling their house? Now think about it. It's a cold call. They don't even know me. What are the chances they're going to refer me? The people who refer you, you have a relationship with. No one's going to refer you, and it just makes the call longer. So that's crazy. Just skip that and more quickly get on to the next call. And the other thing they always said is like, I needed a reason to call. Hey, I just sold the house down the street and I was wondering if you might be thinking of selling your house. Or hey, I just listed the one around the corner. That is an absolute disaster. Never do a just sold, just listing call. If you want to call around a house you just sold or just listed, that's fine, but don't ever mention that you listed one, because if you say, hey, I just sold the house down the street and I was calling to see if you might be thinking of selling your house, they're going to say, oh, how much did you get for that one? And then you're going to say the number, and it will never be impressive to them. They'll always say, oh, well, that's not as much, or there's a very high chance that they won't be impressed. And now you're talking price before they're sold on you and your company, and you never should be talking about you and your company to anybody who's not thinking about selling their house. So if you called me up and you said, hey, are you thinking about selling your house? And I said, no, I'm going to die in this house. I will never sell my house. And then you said, well, you know, I just listed the one around the corner. Am I going to say, oh, well, in that case, I am going to sell my house? No. So skip that. It makes it shorter. It doesn't get you into trouble. Hope that helps you. Again, if I can help you in any way, go to fearlessagent.com. We'd love to have you as one of our customers. You can do a teleseminar with us, free teleseminar to try it out. You can call me. We can do a free coaching call with you to see if it'd be a good fit for you and Fearless Agent. So go to fearlessagent.com and let us help you become a fearless agent. Thanks.